You got the Rona, man. God damn.
This is a cold war. Do you know what you
What's so serious? What's going on, guys? This your guy Serious Mindset, and I'm back with another video. And hold on, I forgot it. What's so serious? Alright, there we go. So today we are going for a mod. At first I wasn't going to do a mod today. It was kind of going to be a laid back day. It's supposed to be like a car meet, but I was so anxious on doing lips a little ashy. Excuse the ashy lips. So oh yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that post notification bell, hit that doing, make sure you hit that like button, and look, drop a fire down in that comment section. But anyway, let's get to it. So this mod, I'm probably gonna put the thumbnail on there, but needless to say, yes, we are going to be I've been on a rampage on trying to get this bad boy to sound more aggressive, more old school muscle, like not annoying, but more so clean. So if you didn't know, I did a mid-muffler delete several videos ago, and I just been researching over and over, trying to find the best setup that will stay tuned, not stay tuned, but that will conform to my my Scat Pack. So because when I'm driving in a parking lot, I don't want it to be too like a tuner, like I want it to be like, man, that is some good quality muscle, American muscle stuff. But needless to say, let's get to it. Let's go ahead and put on some lights too. We're gonna go with this lights because you guys know if you're rocking the lights, you gotta put them on. So again, shout out to my guy, LED Customs. Make sure you follow him on Instagram, LED_customs. Let's see, turn this thing on. See how we gonna ride. Let's see. Oh yeah. How we feeling today? I don't know how we feeling today. Not blue, not purple. I think we're gonna go that red. We're gonna slow that down too. We're gonna slow that down. Oh, that looks so cold. But okay, let's go ahead and hop in it. Let's go get it. Let's see. Oh, door not closed. Major embarrassment right there. All right, there you go. Let's see what we got. All right, so as you see, I have we are going to be rocking with these babies right here. So these are Dyno, I think it's Dyno Max. Yeah, these are Dyno Max mid-range muffs. So we're gonna find a shop to go ahead and put these in. So let's go ahead and roll. I'll see you guys at the shop, so stay tuned. So let's go get it. Watch those ears. All right, so look, so take my glass off. A little bit cloudy, it's a little bit dark in here anyway. So I don't mind the setup that I have with the mid muffler. Voice changer. Me. I don't mind the setup that I have with the mid muff, but 9 times out of 10 you have to drive in track mode to constantly keep that valve open, right? So that valve has to constantly stay open. But when idling, see everybody looking at the lights and stuff. It's crazy, everybody liking the lights, like, oh my God. But when idling, I want something that's just gonna just grab the attention as far as saying, okay, look, hey, man, that is a true muscle right there. Like, you know, like you automatically know. So that's kind of the round that I'm going with. Aside from not doing a full range exhaust setup. So I'm trying to avoid that, and I'm trying to figure out what would be the best route to go with on that note to give it that nice growling aggressive tone. Now mind you, my resonators are still on, so I'm keeping the resonators on because I still don't want that to be, because the resonators are kind of like a silencer, to better explain it, right? If you think about it, your resonators are kind of like the silencer at the end point to kind of dilute, yeah, basically dilute. So at the end of the day, I'm going to this other shop. I'm not going to Promax right off the bat. I have them pulled up on Apple CarPlay just in case, but I'm gonna try this other shop because I heard some good reviews about them. So I'm gonna see what they can do, see how much their pricing is. Better yet, not their pricing, because the guy, they act like they didn't know how to quote me the first time that I went there. So I don't even know if I want to go there again, because yeah, I don't know. So I'm gonna see what they say, and then we gonna just go from there. So stay tuned. Okay, so what's known inside these cabins for the Challengers are the to dim it down like outside noises or whatnot. So I have on the cabin deal. I guess it just dilutes all the sound, like if you have a crazy exhaust or whatnot. So it's kind of dumbing down a little bit, but I don't know. Let's see if you guys can hear. You guys really can't hear it. You probably heard a lot of wind, not too much. So it's not, I don't know, it's not, I want, when I hit the gas, I want you to know that this thing is a V8. That's all I'm trying to say. When I pedal to the metal, I want you to know it's V8. Now you will with the setup that I have now with the muffler to delete, but see, so you heard that. I'm pretty sure you heard that, right? So it kicked in, but I don't want to go full down on the pedal if I don't have to. I mean, it's fun to do it, but I just lost like 20 miles per gallon right there. Which don't really matter if you own the vehicle, right? But needless to say, I just want it to be more known that, hey, look, okay, we already know that's not your typical deal or whatnot, which they will know because it's a wide body, right? How many wide bodies do you see? But at the end of the day, I'm going to this other Bucky's shop because they were already booked up. So, which is why I'm on the highway right now. So I'm gonna see what they're saying. I don't feel like waiting. I feel like if you go for a muffler deal or whatnot, you shouldn't have to wait. You go in, you go out, and you good to go. So I'm on my way to this next little setup, and then we're gonna go from there. So, god dang, what the heck is that? Is that a plane? He got a plane, and then he got, oh man, God bless. But stay tuned. Let's go ahead and get to that. So, unfortunately, I was unable to get the moss done, to get the actual exhaust modification done. So, needless to say, got dressed, did all that clean stuff or whatnot, and then now, as you see, we had a freaking car meet now. So it's a lot of different. It's not fully Mopars, but it's like you got your Mustangs, you got your Subarus, you got your Fast and the Furious. So you got like all this other crap going on. But needless to say, you know, you got my dog right here. Look. So, Mr. Trucking, we are live. We are live. When I tell you, say man, you know I can't tell you all my secrets, man. You know I'm gonna pop up on you. So I got this done. Talking about the light. So look, make sure you give my guy a follow. Look, give him go ahead and talk to him, man. Why you got the mask on, man? You got the Rona or something? You got the Rona, man. God damn. God damn.
Yeah, it's coming along, man. Like just a little mod you got.
You see it? You see it? You see what I mean? See, I got that. See, I'm gonna have to put that check. See, I got that stamp from Mr. Doss himself. So look, man, you gotta go ahead and give him the social media, man. You know,
I'm this.
Well, your YouTube. Don't you got the YouTube?
300S Doss. My Instagram is 300S_Doss. Facebook, Brandon Doss.
Oh, he got that old school thing. Hold on, look at that. He got that red old school thing. What's that? A Regal?
Monte Carlo. That's a Monte Carlo.
That's a Monte Carlo. He got that box. He got that box up there.
He actually lived by me. I know him.
Yeah, he got that box. Where's Black Knight?
Black Knight.
Brian.
Oh.
Is he coming out?
He made some YouTube videos today.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Today's only off day, so.
Oh yeah, I already know the grind don't stop, man. Them YouTube videos, the grind don't stop. So give him the. I'm sorry. So you $300. So make sure you get that $300 right there. So you got $300. The YouTube is what, $300 too?
Yeah.
Okay, so same thing. Make sure y'all check out the YouTube, the social media or whatnot. When I tell you, man, look at this. Look at this bad boy. So we actually supposed to be doing a video. When are we gonna do that video?
We can do it tomorrow. We can do it right now.
Oh, you want to do it right now? You want to do? Look, don't touch. Look, I made 3 videos in one night. So the video that I did with this one is chopped up with another one with LED Customs. Look at this guy. Make sure you follow his Instagram right there. Look at this guy. He's about to go crazy. Go ahead and shut the door, man. Be look. Oh, that thing nasty. He about to act a donkey. But look, check this out. We got some Mopar guys. Who Mopar? Who Mopar? Is your Mopar? Yeah. Say, man, we Mopars got to stick together, man. All I see is tuners out here. Then we got an exotic. Like, come on, man. What you did to it, man? What we looking at? A 392?
So it is. Well, that was loud, but
yeah,
so
yeah.
Just lower intake. That's it.
Man, come on, man. Let me see. It look like you got a what's this? Carbon fiber or a wrap on the hood? Matte wrap. Yeah. Oh, that's dope.
Put it 30. I'll pop it. Put it 30.
Oh, you just said, man, F it, man. Let me just come out here, man, and show my Man, I like that, man. Look, Mopars got to stick together. Look.
See, the one day I don't watch the shit.
Yeah, you see somebody gonna put you on the spot. Oh, okay. I see that. I like that.
Hey,
I like that.
Ahead, hit it, please hit it.
Oh yeah, I like that. You got that made? You got that made?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. See?
Usually everything is clean, fucking to the spec.
That's how it always is, man. When somebody puts you on the spot, man, it's always like that. And you say you got it bad?
Nah, it's just lower.
It's just lower?
Yeah.
I like that, man.
Yeah, you got that Widebody, right?
Yeah, I got the Widebody, yeah.
Where's it at?
Oh, it's over there, brother. Man, I'm gonna have to come over here, man, because we gotta stick together. I'm over here with the tuners and stuff, but most definitely I'm checking out your wicker build.
Yeah, I got the wicker bill on it. It had the older Z1 or ZL1 add-on. It had that one, but I got rear-ended. The whole rear end is all brand new.
Daily driven.
Yeah.
That's funny.
Yeah.
I like that. Yeah, most definitely, man. It looks nice, man. Oh, man, interior? I see you got that bloody thing on there. Okay, I see you creeping.
You got the red interior.
I see you creeping. You tried to hold out on me, man. Oh yeah, most definitely.
It's dirty, man. I'm telling
you. Man, nah, you good, man. I understand, man. You probably just got off, or you probably just been chilling. Like, man, I don't give an F.
Right now, man.
Yeah, man.
But it's got the coin holder. It says Crown Royal right there.
Oh, so you a? Oh yeah, nah.
Yeah.
So you a drinker? See, I'm trying to get my life together. He got Crown Royal in here, so he about to act a donkey tonight. You already know that. Look, when you see Crown Royal, you know it's about to go down. You know what I'm saying?
It's about to go down.
Man, what's your name? You got Instagram and everything?
Yeah, I got Instagram. Lowered_out_laws. Lord_out_laws.
Okay, I'm gonna put his information right on the screen or whatnot, cause we gonna talk and then I'm gonna get all that information. Yeah. But most definitely, man. See, this is what it's all about: connecting with people. Look, Mopars, you gotta stick together. Look how many tuners is out here. Look, they all piled together like Fast and the Furious type stuff. Look at that. Look at that. So look, we gotta watch ourselves, all right? But anyway, look, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Watch some serious. So look, you gotta introduce yourself, cause this doesn't happen. This is not really common. So I have a special guest in my vehicle. What's your name?
Alex.
Alex. So Alex, why are you intrigued about getting into my vehicle?
This is my first car show or car meet, whatever you want to call it. And I basically just want to ride with everybody, see what everybody's kind of having with them. And I really like the look of this car and how the headlight just so damn mesmerizing. So I was like, yo, can I ride with you?
And I was just like, hey, look, where's your parents at? Because I don't want to be charged for kidnapping anybody. But needless to say, we're about to ride out. We're going to have fun. And then, of course, we're going to be safe, you know, because I got a visitor as well. So
that's all right.
But at the end,
covers it.
Insurance covers it. But at the end of the day, guys, just stay tuned. It's gonna be a long, eventful day. As you see, it's a lot of people riding out. There's more up front, but needless to say, it's a lot of tuners. I don't really mess with tuners. You know, I'm not in this Fast and Furious thing, but they did have Mopars in Fast and Furious. But at the end of the day, look. Woo!
You gonna do some donuts?
Nah, I'm not gonna do donuts. Aww. See, I'm not into the donuts. I'm not into the donuts. Donuts.
What do you think these people think when we're all driving out here, man?
Huh?
What do you think these people are thinking when we're all like driving out here?
Like, what the heck is going on? They driving slow.
This is a cold war. Do you know what you
What's this?